Hello and welcome to Play Pulse, your ultimate destination for deep dives into Indian sports. Today, we are talking about the man who's become the spine of Indian bowling, Jasprit Bumrah, and a serious concern that's now starting to echo louder. Is Team India over-dependent on Bumrah? Is his workload being managed properly? Let's break it down. In the first test against England, Bumrah took 5 wickets, but in the second innings, despite bowling 19 overs, he couldn't deliver the same quality. India eventually lost the match, highlighting how heavily team's bowling depends on him. Whether it's tests, ODIs or T20s, Bumrah is India's go-to weapon. Need a breakthrough? Call Bumrah. Need to defend 10 in the last over? Call Bumrah. Need to bowl with new ball and death overs? Still Bumrah. But this raises a big question. How long can this continue without consequences? In the last 12 months, he missed a lot of cricket due to injury. But after making his comeback, he took charge and played the entire IPL 2025 season for Mumbai Indians, consistently bowling with full intensity in every match. Meanwhile, the support cast, whether it's Siraj, Shami or young quakes like Mukesh Kumar and Arshdeep, hasn't quite matched Bumrah's level or consistency. So, what happens? The captain naturally leans on Bumrah even more. But history tells us overusing fast bowlers, especially ones with unique actions like Bumrah, can lead to burnout or injuries. Remember 2022? Bumrah had to miss T20 World Cup due to a stress fracture. He reportedly picked up another niggle right after ODI World Cup 2023 final, which India lost to Australia. Even though it wasn't made official, sources confirmed he played throughout discomfort during the knockout stages. He skipped the T20Is immediately after the tournament, a clear sign that his body needed rest. Bumrah also ruled out of ICC Champions Trophy 2025 due to injury, where India emerged champion. If India wants to keep Bumrah firing till 2026 T20 World Cup, workload management is non-negotiable. That means skipping low-stakes bilateral games, rotating pacers smartly, building a stronger bench, give more chances to emerging players like Avesh Khan, Mayank Yadav, and most importantly, trust them in tough moments. Team India must stop Bumrah will fix it mindset before it's too late. So, what do you think? Is Team India becoming more reliant on Jasprit Bumrah? And who do you think can share the load in the coming season? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Play Pulse and tap the bell icon for more insight-driven sports stories from Indian cricket and beyond. Until next time, stay sharp and keep the passion alive. This is Mansa Channa Pragada signing off.